Good morning, students. Class 6, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. And welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am. And last day, this was a disaster day, you know very well. And for those circumstances, I couldn't upload any video because there was no tower in any phone. So I hope you can understand. I hope you all are waiting for the video, but the last day I couldn't upload as there was no tower in our phones, in my phone and in our every phones, and in our area there was no network in mobiles. Okay, so please don't mind for that. I'm coming back with the next day video, means today's video, the running chapter. It was in father's present, right? I hope you remember. And this was your chapter, the second chapter, right? Till here it was happened. What have you in your head? And I hope you remember about the paragraphs, what was happening there. And this is the next running chapter. So 10 mangoes cost 15 annas. What is the price of one? What was there? There was a conversation at the moment. Last father asked, how many mangoes does Krishna want? 4. What is the price of 4? This was asking by the father. Father seemed to delight in torturing him. How could he know what the fool Krishna would pay? Look here, boy, I have half a mind to trash you. What have you in your head? Right, this was told by the father, that I wanted to know that what is there in your head. Now see the next. 10 mangoes cost 15 annas. What is the price of one? If 10 mangoes cost 15 annas, means what is the price of one mango? Come on, if you don't say it. His hand took Swaminathan's ear. He just held Swaminathan's ear and gently twisted it. I hope you can understand. Jake bole kan mule dewa. Right? Okay. So he just told, come on, if you don't say it. Okay, come on here. If you can't say it. And by telling this, he was just taking Swaminathan's ear and gently twisted it. And Swaminathan could not open his mouth because he could not decide whether the solution lay in the realm of addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. He couldn't understand anything else. That what should be the perfect way to get the answer. So he couldn't open his mouth because he couldn't understand. He couldn't decide that if the solution lay in the realm of addition, if he has to add addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. He couldn't understand anything else. Addition means plus, subtraction means minus, multiplication means into, division means divide, right? I hope you know these are the mathematics words. The longer he hesitated, the more violent the twist was becoming. In the end, when father was waiting with a scowl for an answer, scowl means with an angry look. Okay, with an angry look, he was just being angry on that moment. যাকে বলা হয় বকা, খুব জোর রেগে গিয়ে আমরা বকাবকি করি না, that is called scowl, right? So his father was being violent, his father was being angry on that moment, and he was waiting with a scowl for an answer. He received only a squall from his son. Squall means complain, নালিশ করা, যাকে আমরা বাংলায় নালিশ করা বলি. So he didn't receive any answer. He only received a complaint against Rama, complaints against the math and all, right? Next is he's telling, I am not going to leave you till you tell me how much a single mango costs at 15 annas for 10. I will never let you go till you will tell me the cost of one single mango. Right? What was the matter with father? Swaminathan kept blinking. He was just thinking, Swaminathan thinking, what was the matter with father? Swaminathan kept blinking. He was just blinking at the moment. Where was the urgency to know its price? Now he is telling, what is the urgency to know about its price at all? Anyway, instead of harassing him, let him go to the market and find it out. Now it is his own thinking. And instead of harassing him, harassing means, it is written in your book. See, there are so many meanings written. Avarice, greed, obscure point here, unclear question, improbable price, unlikely cost, without conviction, without being sure. Realm, here a specific topic, right? Harassing, annoying or owing someone, right? And next, the whole brood here, all of them, right? Okay. So instead of harassing him, let him go to the market and find it out. The whole brood of Ramas and Krishna with their endless transaction, the whole brood, it is written here, the whole brood means all of them. A whole brood of Ramas and Krishna with their endless transaction with odd quantities. It is his own according to him, it is his own opinion that the quantities are odd of mangoes and fractions of money were getting disgusting. Okay, all were getting disgusting. Disgusting means, you can understand, biroktikor jake amra boli. So all were getting disgusting. Why we are thinking about the price? Let him go to the market. Okay, with their endless transaction and with odd quantities of mangoes. According to him, it is the quantity of mangoes are odd. Okay, so this is the paragraphs, and go to the next paragraph, next lines. It is written in your next page. Okay, the last page of your chapter. Father admitted defeat by declaring one mango cost 15 over 10 annas. Simplify it. Now further admitted defeat. He just came to a conclusion. Defeat means after a long discussion, he just came to a point by declaring one mango costs 15 over 10 annas. Simplify it. Okay, here he was being led to the most hideous regions of arithmetic fractions. Hideous regions means, it is written here unpleasant topics. Okay, unpleasant topics of arithmetic fractions. Here he was being led to the most hideous regions of arithmetic fractions. Give me the slate, father, I will find out. He worked and found at the end of 15 minutes. Now he told father, give me the slate, I will find out. He just further helped him. He was being led to the most hideous regions of arithmetic fractions. Father just helped him that in which point he will get the answer. On that moment, Swaminathan told father, give me the slate, I will find out the meaning. I will find out it. He worked and found at the end of 15 minutes. For 15 minutes he just worked on this math. The price of one mango is 3 over 2 annas. Now he is giving answer. The price of one mango is 3 over 2 annas. Okay. He expected to be contradicted any moment. But father said, very good, simplify it further. He expected to be contradicted any moment. But the father said that, very good, simplify it further. It was plain selling after that. Okay, it was plain selling. Selling means bikri kora. It was plain selling after that. Swaminathan announced at the end of hat an hour's agony, Krishna must pay 6 annas, and burst into tears. Okay, at the last, he just announced, Swaminathan announced that Krishna agony means so many contradictions, so many pressure mentally and physically, after both pressure, he just come to the point that Krishna must pay 6 annas, and burst into tears. Kede fello. Right? At 5 o'clock, when he was ready to start for the club, Swaminathan's father felt sorry for having worried his son all the afternoon. Would you like to come with me to the club, boy? he asked. This was happened at the afternoon moment, and when it was 5 o'clock, his father was getting ready for going to the club. On that moment, Swaminathan's father felt sorry for having worried his son all the afternoon, and he just asked a question to the Swaminathan, "Would you like to come with me to the club, boy?" He asked when he saw Swaminathan sulking behind a pillar with a Ubegan face, right? Ubegan face, Ubegan means it is written very unhappy. So when Swaminathan's father saw him sulking means mukh gomra kore boshe thaka. Okay, sulking behind a pillar with a Ubegan face. He was sitting at a corner at a pillar with a unhappy face, very unhappy face, Swaminathan. When he listened, his father is telling him, his father is inviting him to go to the club with him. Swaminathan just answered by disappearing for a minute and reappearing dressed in his coat and cap. He just full of happy. He was just full of happy to listen it, and he just with a minute, he just dressed him up with his coat and cap. Okay, so I hope you understand. See, it was written by R.K. Narayan, I told you. So I hope you will understand all the chapter. If you have any problem, definitely you can ask me in comment box. Okay, so thank you for the whole video you are watching, and if you can't understand any spelling, any writing, you can ask me. Okay, so this is a chapter is completed, and next day I will give you the question and answer. Till then, please keep watching my video and read all the meanings. In your book there are so many meanings are written, and in my videos also I have told so many meanings. So please read the chapter properly with the meaning and prepare yourself. After that, when I will give you the question answer, you can prepare yourself mostly, right? Okay, then thank you so much. Have a nice day.